Lights, camera, action. Today's spotlight is on cameras. Whether you're looking to capture life's moments with a sleek mirrorless step up your game with a powerful DSLR, or dive into action-packed footage with a rugged cam, the world of photography has something for everyone. Join me as we explore the magic these lenses unveil. Ready to embark on a visual journey? Let's roll. Sony A7 IV. The Sony A7 IV is a powerhouse for landscape photography, boasting a remarkable 33-megapixel full-frame sensor that captures stunning detail. Its RAW format offers a wide dynamic range, perfect for diverse landscapes. While its high ISO noise performance is slightly lower, it excels in low-light conditions. However, its bulk might be challenging for extended hikes or remote shoots. Overall, a top choice for capturing the beauty of landscapes. The battery life on the Sony A7 IV is excellent. Capture up to 580 photos or enjoy 105 minutes of continuous video with this efficient camera battery. Keep shooting without worries. High-res EVF for clear shots, but iCup rubber lacks comfort. Minimal lag ensures smooth shooting. Specifications: mirrorless. Battery type: Sony NP-FC 100. USB charging. Sensor type: BSI CMOS. Processor: Bions XR. Screen articulation type: fully articulated. Screen max brightness: 800 candelas per square meter. Advertised resolution: 1.04 million dots. Size: 3.0 inch, 7.5 centimeters. Good for every hand size. Our best camera for video is Fujifilm X-H2S. The Fujifilm X-H2S, one of Fujifilm's flagship APS-C cameras, shares a robust build and extended battery life with its counterpart, the Fujifilm X-H2. However, it diverges with a 26-megapixel stacked sensor, emphasizing speed and reducing rolling shutter effects. Aptly named for its swiftness, the X-H2S excels in video work, supporting advanced features like up to 6.2K recording, in-body image stabilization, IBIS, and blackout-free burst shooting at 40 FPS for advanced videography. Consider the Fujifilm X-H2S. Its versatile recording options, stacked sensor, and excellent image stabilization make it a top choice. If you don't mind a bulkier camera, the Fujifilm X-H2S is great for travel photography. The Fujifilm X-H2S is great for landscape photography. It can capture high-quality images straight out of the camera. The Fujifilm X-H2S is excellent for sports and wildlife photography. The Fujifilm X-H2S is amazing for studio video. It can record video at up to 6.2K with internal 10-bit 4:2:2 color from the full width of the sensor. The Fujifilm X-H2S is too bulky for on-the-go vlogging, but good for sit-down or in-studio vlogging. The Fujifilm X-H2S isn't meant for a POV-style action video, but works well for recording the action from the sidelines. Specifications: RAW buffer size: 180 photos. JPEG buffer size: 10,000 photos. Buffer empty time: 11s. Advertised battery life in photo: 580 photos. Tested battery life in video: 125 minutes. Processor: X processor 5. Size: 3.0 inch, 7.5 centimeters. Touchscreen: limited. Our pick for best upper mid-range camera is Fujifilm X-T5. The Fujifilm X-T5 is a mirrorless APS-C camera. If the above cameras seem too advanced for your needs, consider the Fujifilm X-T5, tailor-made for photography enthusiasts. Its dedicated exposure dials offer a classic SLR feel, ideal for quick on-the-go adjustments, perfect for street photography. Weather-sealed and equipped with in-body image stabilization, it ensures stable handheld shots and features a versatile three-way tilting screen. The standout feature is its 40 MP APS-C sensor, delivering detailed images with ample room for cropping and editing. Film simulation profiles allow easy in-camera image customization, and the camera impresses with its video capabilities. In essence, if you seek a more affordable and portable option than the Sony A7 IV, the X-T5 is an excellent choice. The Fujifilm X-T5 is great for travel photography. The Fujifilm X-T5 is great for landscape photography, though the Fujifilm X-T5 is great for sports and wildlife photography. It has some limitations. The Fujifilm X-T5 is decent for vlogging, but this isn't its main intended use, despite being more photography-oriented. The Fujifilm X-T5 is excellent for studio video. POV- style action video isn't the Fujifilm X-T5's strength, but it gets the job done if you want to film action from the sidelines. Specifications: RAW buffer size, 21 photos. JPEG buffer size, 84 photos. Buffer empty time, 17s. Advertised battery life in photo, 580 photos. Tested battery life in video, 120 minutes. Processor, X processor 5. Advertised resolution, 1.84 million dots. Our best mid-range camera is Sony Alpha 6700. Sony Alpha 6700 is a top mid-range camera with versatile lens options and impressive autofocus for fast subjects. It's compact, stable, and records 4K video at 120 frames per second. Fujifilm X-S10 is an alternative with 6.2K recording and RAW output. However, its AF is less reliable. Choose based on personal preference. Alpha 6700 has an offset EVF, while X-S10 features a centered viewfinder. The Sony A6700 is great for travel photography. The Sony A6700 is great for landscape photography. The Sony A6700 is great for sports and wildlife photography. The Sony A6700 is good for vlogging. The Sony A6700 is great for studio video. The Sony A6700 isn't designed for POV-style action video, but it's good for recording action from the sidelines. Specifications: RAW buffer size, 36 photos. JPEG buffer size, 10,000 photos. Buffer empty time, 3s. Advertised battery life in photo, 550 photos. Tested battery life in video, 108 minutes. Processor, Bions XR. Good for all hand sizes. Our best entry-level camera, IBIS. Fujifilm X-S10. The Fujifilm X-S10, now succeeded by the X-S20, is a top-value entry-level camera. Ideal for beginners not requiring advanced video features. It lacks 10-bit 4:2:2 video, but remains capable for novice content creators. With 4K 30 FPS recording and a great APS-C sensor, it captures high-quality images and videos. Offering in-body image stabilization at this price point, it enhances stability for handheld shots and vlogs. Alternatively, the Canon EOS R10 is a budget-friendly option with reliable autofocus, but fewer lens choices for the RF mount. The Fujifilm X-S10 is good for travel photography. The Fujifilm X-S10 is a very good option for landscape photography. The Fujifilm X-S10 is decent for sports and wildlife photography. The Fujifilm X-S10 is a great option for vlogging. The Fujifilm X-S10 is great for studio video. IBIS supports F-Log shooting for an expanded dynamic range in video. The Fujifilm X-S10 isn't for action video. Specifications: RAW buffer size 19 photos. JPEG buffer size 10,000 photos. Buffer empty time 2s. Advertised battery life in photo 325 photos. Tested battery life in video 60 minutes. Processor X processor 4. Good for all hand sizes. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, check the links in the description for more related content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay updated for future insights.